So, who was afraid that we couldn't make it? You see, that was faster than I expected. But in this case, what do you think is the keyword on this group? They focused on something very important. What do you think is the main concept in the videos or that you saw here? It's about you. It's about workers. What a worker needs to be competitive in Industry 4.0. No, that's the group before. In this case, what do you need? You need a T. No, not you. You need to do what? What you're doing in ITS. What are you doing? Yeah, training. That's the thing. If you want to achieve flexibility, if you want to interconnect with the machine, if you want to cooperate in an Industry 4.0 system, which is made of resources, investment, state, in the case of Germany or other countries, there is a state support. In the case of Italy, it's coming. Why? Because ITS, for example, is an excellency in the field. So it has some support. But if you want to be able to understand how the Industry 4.0 works, do you need to work on what? On the machine, on yourself? That's it. So you see, you are still the top. You remain the top of the chain. Nobody can tell you the machine is going to replace you as long as you have the qualification to understand and operate the machine. This is the point that must be fixed in your mind more than the Bible, which I'm sure you never read. Okay, so it's not so difficult, right? But it doesn't need. You don't need to read the Bible to be competitive in the Industry 4.0. What is your Bible? In the Industry 4.0, what is your ABC? Information, data, what else? Connection, collaboration. Remember what is mechatronics. Remember the word that I told you, mechatronics, it's what? There you go. Yes, integration. Something that these guys that do marketing, they don't know. Okay? So now it's between me and you. Integration. They talked about cooperation, interconnection, but we know that integration between different aspects of the Industry 4.0, that's what makes you strong. And if you want to compete at the Italian level, because of the ITS, because of the ITS Umbria, what opportunity this gives you to excel in something that 29% of people in Italy have the digital mind. It's nothing. If you think that we are reaching almost 20% of people in Italy, they cannot read or write, which is a drama in our country. So, in a situation right now where Italy is living a crisis in culture, okay? On the other side, technology-wise, we have a huge opportunity. So you need to know that. Maybe half of Italians cannot read, but the rest know how to use a smartphone. And the generation before us, they know the smartphone, but they use 1% or 2%. If you go and say, give me your smartphone, and with the smartphone you can build a place, you can activate all the lightings here using a phone, you can control the lights, you can control the audio, you can control the locking system and the security cameras. Do you know it's possible, right? Just using a phone. I can monitor my company using a phone and looking at the camera. Are you a magician? No. Houdini? No. I'm a smart phone.